gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you my mini mystery box of awesome. Let's see what kind of ridiculousness they sent this month. Okay guys, so this one is $9.99 a month. I will have a link in the description box below. And for this one, you really don't know what you're going to get. If you've seen somebody else unbox it, it doesn't mean you're going to get those same things. They send random things to everybody. You just really don't know what's going to come in this bag. So just because you've seen my video, you can watch somebody else's video and they'll get completely different stuff. Just saying. All right, so here's my bag. It comes in a different bag just about every single time, but they always have their logo on there, so you always know where it's coming from. So let's dig in, guys. Okay, so every single month they include a little activities sheet, which is really nice. They have like a word search. It looks like a little maze. This has how many different items can you find? Differences can you find, in the two pictures, and then like a fill in the word type thing. I do this all the time with my son. I think it's super fun. Probably my favorite thing in every single bag. Just saying. All right, let's dig in. I think it's a fan. Yeah, looks like a fan that you put on your desk or something, right? Yeah, a fan that you would put on your desk. Awesome. How does it work? I don't see. Oh, it's got a USB. It's got a USB port. Oh, here we go. Here we go, guys. There's a plug. So it's got like a USB port. So you plug it in into the wall and you have this fan on your desk. Awesome. All right. So let's see what else we got in here. Stubby screwdriver set. Great. I don't know that this is awesome, but I can promise you that I will definitely use it, but I just don't think it's really awesome. So whatever. All right, last thing in here, guys. Yep. Vacuum compressed bag. Okay, so these are actually very nice to have. I do have, I buy these all the time, like in bulk quantity, because I use these quite often when I mail things out to people, because it compresses everything to a point where your package is a lot smaller than it would be if you didn't do that. So I do like these. You only get one. I mean, I'm not excited about it, but, you know, they are awesome, so I guess they got that going for them. I don't know, guys. Again, this was the mini mystery box of awesome for the month of July. I will have a link in the description box below. This one is $9.99 per month. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Mini mystery box of awesome is $9.99 a month, and I will have a link in the description box below for where you can get this box. No, but I'm always curious. I think this is a super fun subscription. So if you guys like to get random things in your mini mystery boxes, I messed this up. Okay, guys. So this one is $9.99 a month. It is that daily. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. So here's my bag, and it's in a different bag all the time too. Did I just show my address? No, I didn't, but I'm gonna do it again anyway.